Hi guys, Diane Haygarth here, Millionaire Mom. How do you get free leads? Today's question, the burning question of the day. How do you get free leads? Click the like button, hit the notifications button, and click the subscribe button. Now I can actually share my screen and tell you the answer. How to get free leads. Now this website is called Lightning. I'm going to share it with you because it's perfect for beginners and it creates daily leads. Look, daily leads. Okay, just watch that short 7-minute video and basically they actually send emails for you, and if you can put your link here, if you've got a business to promote, you can promote it there. If you just want to promote this one because you're a complete beginner and you don't know what you're doing, you can get multiple free leads, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of free leads. There's a free Facebook group you can join, but this system is really powerful. You can buy it for $7. And if you buy it for $7, guess what? You can make a commission for the next person under you that buys it of $6. So it's a one-time payment. You don't have to pay every month or every year. It's one-off. So wouldn't that be worth it? If you got 2 people in for $7, you get 12 and you've only paid 7. So that would be your first ever making money online, and this would be the first time it's probably worked for you. Okay, so that's it in a nutshell. Lightning is my recommendation of today to get free leads. And you're asking me, Di, Millionaire Mom, how do I promote it? I have joined so many for free, but I don't know what to do. This is what to do. Think of one question that can fit in the box and it doesn't go white. So you can put the Facebook little pretty bit on. So an hour ago, I put this on in a money making online group and I've got 17 comments. You think outside the box. Who wants a free list building website? Could be just the question. You have to, on Facebook, add a different emoji in, add a hands up, little girl with a hand up. Change one word. Every single time you put a Facebook post in a different group, change one word. Otherwise, you'll go to Facebook jail. If you want to know how to follow up, I've already done a video because I'm Millionaire Mom. I've got a free gift for you. How to get 56 leads from one post and what to do afterwards. So that's in a link below, and that's it for this video. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, click the like button and hit the notifications button, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.